Do you know which countries have grown the fastest in the last 20 years? Some names will surprise you, but even more surprising is how they did it. Let's explore the top 5 fastest growing economies from 2005 to 2025 and uncover the secrets behind their rise. At number 5 is Lithuania, a Baltic country that rose from post Soviet collapse to become a digital leader. GDP growth from $22 billion in 2005 to over $74 billion in 2024. Do you know how they did it? They made bold economic reforms after joining the European Union in 2004. They did massive investment in digital infrastructure, now called Europe's FinTech Sandbox. They received EU funding supported education, transportation, and innovation hubs. Lithuania didn't rely on natural resources, it invested in technology and talent. At number 4 is Bangladesh, a country that quietly built an empire of garments and grit. GDP growth from $61 billion in 2005 to $460 billion in 2024. Do you know how they did it? They became the world's second largest garment exporter, behind only China. The nation empowered millions of women in the textile workforce. A huge inflow of remittances from Bangladeshis working abroad. Pro-growth policies and microfinance revolutions by banks like Grameen Bank. Bangladesh didn't have oil or gold, but it had hands that stitched and minds that built. At number 3 is Vietnam, once devastated by war, now a booming manufacturing hub. GDP growth from $57 billion to over $460 billion in 20 years. Do you know how they did it? The country opened its economy through IME reforms starting in the late 1980s. They attracted foreign investment from global tech giants like Samsung, Intel, and Apple. The nation created special economic zones, offered tax breaks, and built infrastructure. They built a reputation for a hardworking, educated, and young labor force. With no significant oil reserves, Vietnam succeeded with exports, openness, and energy. At number 2 is India, the world's largest democracy and one of its youngest nations. GDP growth is from $834 billion in 2005 to over $4 trillion in 2024. Do you know how they achieved it? India became a global IT and services powerhouse. Cities like Bangalore became tech capitals. A surge in mobile and digital revolution, UPI, Aadhaar, and Digital India transformed finance and governance. The strength in pharmaceuticals, space technology, and a booming startup ecosystem. India's massive internal consumption from a growing middle class. India's biggest resource? Its people, educated, ambitious, and digitally connected. And at number 1 is China. GDP growth from $2.3 trillion in 2005 to $17.5 plus trillion in 2024. Do you know how they achieved it? China mastered manufacturing at scale, made in China became a global standard. Leveraged cheap labor, but evolved into a tech and AI superpower. Poured trillions into infrastructure, building roads, rails, and megacities. The government played a massive role in planning and driving state-led capitalism. China was export-driven initially, but now powered by a rising domestic consumer market. China used everything, policy, population, ambition, to become the engine of the global economy. From post-war scars to skyscrapers. From thread and textile to tech and AI. Each of these countries had one thing in common: they didn't wait for miracles. They made them. Which story inspired you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Like this video if you learned something new, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more journeys into the hidden stories of our planet.